Yes, welcome to today's video tutorial, and we are still on how we enter the trades, different entry techniques and all that. So remember that the purpose is to identify levels or areas that will give us high probability trades. Okay, and the high probability trade, of course, are trades that will give you greater chances of winning. Okay, greater chances of uh, making profits from the financial market. Okay, so we have many techniques aside from weak rejections and some other techniques like that. You can spot moves, okay, of the market early enough that will give you up to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 confirmations, okay, and then you are good to go. Not necessarily when there are long weeks of rejections and things like that. So I spotted something, though the trade is running already. I already recorded uh, a video on this that is going to be public on YouTube, okay, but of course this one is going to reveal more secrets. I'm going to throw more light into it for the mentorship program. Okay, so how did I enter this trade? Okay, now remember I said at any point you open your chart, okay, your ability to spot the move of the market helps you to take advantage of it. Now you discover the market has been on a bearish move, and then following our steps of identifying uh, key points, key zones in the market, and okay, how to spot them and then pick them, and for high probability trade, okay, you have to follow the steps, just the same step. I discovered the movement of the market came here. Now I didn't trade all these days, but I came to meet the market here and I discovered what it's doing. Okay, so I decided to take this trade. Already I've taken partial profit of, I opened the position with 0.6. I've taken, I think what have I taken? The profit I've taken, let me just check. Yes, I've taken a profit. Or look at it, I opened it with 0.6. okay, for today I opened it with 0.6. I closed 0.5, and 0.1 is running, so I've taken a profit of $8. Okay, so yeah, that's it. And then let's get back to the chart. So I came to meet the market, and then my fractals has already picked the swings of the market for me, but I needed to confirm if I'm to take the trade. Okay, now actually made, let me zoom in. I actually made the market when the market made this spike up. So by then I had already spotted the fractals introduced. Now if you look very well, okay, there are many confirmations here. Now if you look very well, you discover that this is actually a double top. Look at it. One of the most valid and one of the most profitable pattern on, especially boom. Okay, especially boom. I've made several videos on this, emphasizing on it. If you spot this kind of move, while you may not blindly enter the market, if you have equity, you can take the risk to take like sniper entry, which is what I did now. This is sniper entry with a very tight stop loss. Okay, just as you can see, very tight stop loss, but I was confident because the market is high probability. Why? Now look at what I'm going to do. Now I'm going to place my horizontal line to pick that point. Okay, have you seen it? To pick this place, let me pick here. Now aside that, now I can draw a trend line just this way. Are you seeing anything? He picked the swings that my fractals gave me. You adjust. Then if you look internally, if you look internally, okay, you will also see that the fractal has picked my internals. Look at this place. The fractal has picked my internals. Now, if you're observant enough, you would have seen something already. You have seen that there's a confluence somewhere already with 4 confirmations. Now, I don't know if you're able to spot this, but now let me change this to red so that we'll have. Now, if you look very well, and aside that, we can also bring in our rectangle to still pick this zone. Okay, now let's fill it. Let's fill the rectangle. Okay, you check this fill box. Now let's change the color to this. Now, what can you see here now? We have 5 confirmations around that area. Okay, now look at it. The trend line. Now just look at this place. Inside that place, that gives us high probability trade. This trend line running to cross there, this one running to cross there, our horizontal line running to cross here, then the fractal that you see right inside here, and then our horizontal that has picked this resistance to this place. Okay, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 confirmations. Okay, that's why I took the trade, even though it spiked here, around this place that it picked, it spiked. Okay, but then the trade is still moving down. Okay, now if I zoom in completely, you will see that there were also candle rejection week where this fractal was introduced. So this is high probability trade. Now if I want to take my profit completely and leave the market, fine. Even if this market spikes now to hit my stop loss, with this 0.1 loss size, I cannot be in loss because I've taken $8 profit like I've shown you. Okay, so this is another entry technique that you need to always look out for. Now when you spot something like this, you can either take the trade from this time frame, or you go to lower time frame to execute your trade. But you can conveniently take trade from this time frame and then place your stop loss the way I've placed it. Now if I take my profit now, you discover that it's already around 1:3 ratio. Okay, this is 1. Okay, it's around 1:2, or it's above 1:2 ratio. Okay, so let me make this video so that it will also be a video of reference. All right, thanks.